walk around with it running, idling. 3-inch custom exhaust. Custom paint, which you kind of have to see in person to appreciate. Custom stereo in it. That's removable. Some cleaning supplies. All the amps and everything are underneath here. Perfectly mounted. 110's in there. The other 10 is customly mounted, or custom mounted where the factory one goes. And I had a custom piece made for that. Everything else is, it's all dynamatted inside there. For the box, it's dynamatted back here in these. All kicker components. I even put the kicker components up here. Kicker down here. The adapter plates. Sounds very, very good. Extremely good. All right.